Maxima 700 Sport. Shall we discover it together? Follow us. Let's start right away with some technical features of the boat. We have an overall length of 7 meters. M is the homologation length. It's the overall width of the boat. To be able to obviously carry it on a trailer right behind your car, you can install up to 250 HP. An exceptional boat, super, really sporty. The name says it all. Let's take a look at some specific details, starting from the dashboard, the control tower, from the captain's driving position. Of this beautiful Maxima 700 Sport, central steering wheel, of course, with hydraulic steering, installed the remote control. Because now we're installing a 150 HP Honda with electronic remote control. So with the electronic joystick, super smooth, all of it. The touch button panel, Garmin integrated. The screen, everything you need. In addition to being elegant, it is absolutely functional, as you can see. On a super sporty boat like this 700 Sport, there had to be a comfortable seat. Yes, but also safe. In fact, the backrest is really comfortable and secure, keeping all the guests sitting at the stern safe. In front of me, we have the 2 seats for both the driver and the co-driver. The boat is absolutely safe, the sides are very high. It's a really well-designed boat. Another gem of this beautiful 700 Sport is the fact that it has a bed cabin like this right in the center of the boat, so it's a sand deck, walk around, call it what you like. That said, we have a double bed that can comfortably accommodate 2 people. It's perfect for a weekend on board, or maybe even a few extra days if you're particularly sporty. The side passage of the console to access the bow area, so the front part of the boat is definitely safe. In fact, we have a lip that easily reaches above my hip. Consequently, this boat, one might wonder who it's suitable for. A very sporty family, in the sense that the boat is a sport, it's fast, it could be perfect for doing sports activities like water skiing, wakeboarding, or tubing. Or entertain the little ones with the rubber rings, with the inflatables, and from the boat. Imagine having 3, 4, or 5 little kids on board who can safely move around the boat, go wherever they want without the worry of falling into the sea or losing them. On this boat, they are absolutely safe, even though we are on a very fast boat. This is the front part, so the bow area. We have a horseshoe-shaped seating area that can be completed in the center with an additional extension to create one large double sunbathing area. There's a lot of space, very comfortable seating. It can comfortably fit 6 to 7 people without any issues. Let's see how high the backrest goes. How high does it go? We are really sure, therefore, if there are many of you on the boat and you want to balance correctly for a correct navigation, this boat is just perfect, because you can bring a lot of people to the bow without the risk of them feeling unsafe up there. In fact, this seat is comfortable and safe. At the same time, if the front seats are not enough for you, you can also sit right on the console. In front of the console, in the same direction as the captain of whoever is piloting the boat or driving this boat, this vessel here too, 2 adults very comfortably, or otherwise even 3 people. They can fit and enjoy the sea all day long. Fantastic. If you don't want to miss any of our nautical water tests in Pilola, our videos, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. You can have any technical or commercial information about the boat, obviously, because you will find some of them right in the drop-down menu of this video, and always in the drop-down menu of this video. You'll also find all our contact information, so you can get in touch with us and learn more about this boat. I've stood up next to the railing to show you what a great boat this is. And even though We are on a compact size of 7 meters in length. Dusseldorf Boat Show 2025. All I have left to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.